Butler County in west central Pennsylvania until 6 p.m.
Oh.
At 3:44 p.m., emergency management reported heavy rain. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Franklin Park, Shaler Township, Plum, Hampton Township, O'Hara Township, Wexford, Oakmont, Fox Chapel, Etna, Sharpsburg, Aspinwall, Gibsonia, Verona, Sauber, Bonox and Sixonburg. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Weather